In terms of new technologies, I would predict that we're going to see a shift in companies looking at volume of sales to value of sales. And what that means is a shift from looking at how many products you're selling to the result and the outcome of those products. And that was never feasible before because we weren't able to actually collect and understand the data. Now we're very close to having that ability. So industries, all industries, are looking at how to make that transition. The prediction for public health is that we will be able to look at the results. And now we put so much energy into the medicine and the molecule, but once we give it to a person, we don't see what the result is, and we don't see the outcome. And so what we are getting to through digitalization, through better monitoring, through better data analytics, we're actually moving to where we can see the result and the outcome. And that's going to be very meaningful for patients, because instead of a society spending your dollars, your money on medicines and not knowing how well they work, you'll actually have a good understanding of why you're buying a medicine, because you can see the impact on the society and the environment. Yeah, I think wearable technologies are very exciting. They're quickly moving from being more activity trackers to being actually meaningful, and that's important. The first generation of wearables just told you what you already knew. This next generation of wearables, where they're enabling us to find digital biomarkers, they're enabling us to do better monitoring of our patients, they're really enabling a transformation and a shift in how we think about our business. So I think soon wearables will become much more integrated. It will be less of a device that you see, but they'll become much more integrated. There's wearables, there's ingestibles, there's so many different types of sensors now, but they're getting so small that they don't interfere with your life anymore, and they'll add a lot more value. There's a viral element, so epidemics unfortunately spread very quickly and infect one another. You do see an element of that in digitalization as well. It is that's why we talk about viral spread, because things infect and catch on very quickly, and then they stay. And in some ways, that's why it's so important for industries to have digital transformations, because that epidemic has come, and now that's a new reality. And I think quickly you will see us moving away from talking about digital marketing and digital communications and digital manufacturing, just to talking about marketing in a digital world and communications in a digital world. And you'll see less of a focus on digital, because it will be so integrated into all parts of our work. I think Turkey is a wonderful country, and the people are always very engaging, and it's such a hardworking country, and it's a great place to come, because when we talk about technology and development, this is really a country for experimentation. Turkey is the bridge between Europe and the rest of the world, and as a bridge you see so much experimentation and so much diversity, which lends to creativity. Creativity comes out of diversity, and that creativity leads to innovation. So I think being here in Turkey, having this event here in Turkey, is wonderful, and I congratulate you all on a great event.